Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to add check mark in Google Docs. So if you want to do that, first of all, write something like check mark 1, check mark 2. You can select all to apply check mark to all the text. Go to here and select anyone. You can select this one or this one. I want to select this one, and here you can see 3 check mark is available, or you can also remove from here check mark, and that's it. If you think this is helpful, consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.